How to increase the value by percentage in Microsoft Excel. Hey everybody, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily increase the value by percentage in Microsoft Excel. So I've got some values here, and let's say on this column, I want to increase the value by a certain percent. Let's say if I want to increase the value by 10%, what I can do here is use a formula. What I can do is just go ahead and press equals first. And then here I'm going to select the value from this cell C10, and I'm going to multiply it by 110% because 100% is the value. And if I want to increase it by 10%, I'm going to have to type in 110. Don't forget the percentage sign, and Excel will automatically convert this value. Press enter, and it will increase the value. Now you can select this and drag it all the way to the bottom, and it will automatically increase the value by 10% for all of these values. This is the first method. The second method you can do is pretty similar. So what you can do is go to the increase tab, select the cell, press equals, and then select the value right here. Click on the cell to select the value, and you're going to have to multiply it by 1.1. This time you don't need to enter percent because when you type in percent, it divides it by 100. So we entered 110 before, so that means 110 by 100 is going to be 1.1. So it's basically the same thing. Just hit enter, and it's going to increase the value by 10%. Let's say if I want to increase the value by 50%, what I would do is I would just go ahead and press equals and multiply the value by 1.5, or 150 divided by 100, or you could just do 150%, or you could just do 1.5. It's basically the same thing. It's going to increase the value. Click on it, go to the corner, drag it to the bottom, and all of the values will be increased by 50%. That's pretty much it, guys. That's how you basically increase the value by percentage on Excel. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one.